It was a hot summer day in the city. A big fire broke out in a tall building. People were running out of the building screaming for help. The firefighters received the call and rushed to the scene. They were wearing their bright yellow suits and carrying big hoses. One of the firefighters, named Jack, was very brave. He went into the building to rescue the people who were trapped. He crawled through the dark corridors, calling out to anyone who could hear him. As he reached the top floor, he saw a family of 4 trapped in a room. The fire was getting closer and closer. Jack knew he had to act fast. He grabbed the family and carried them down the stairs, 2 at a time. When they reached the ground, they were greeted by cheers and applause from the crowd. The family was so grateful to Jack that they hugged him tightly. "Thank you for saving us," they said. Jack smiled and said, "It's my job to help people. I'm just glad I was able to get you out safely." The people in the city were very proud of Jack and all the other brave firefighters who had saved so many lives that day. Present simple tense, e.g., the firefighters received the call. Past simple tense, e.g., he went into the building. Past continuous tense, e.g., the fire was getting closer. Infinitive phrases, e.g., to rescue the people. Relative clauses, e.g., who could hear him.